want one, Daddy. I want one.
I gotta look at it.
Oh boy. That thing is looking at me. He's smiling.
Where do you want me to park my trailer?
No, you didn't want to cut this, remember?
I'll throw it back by UConn. Bad to cut when you got this super skinny,
It's starting up heat in the wood. That's why I was rattling so hard.
Oh, we need some water. Look at that in there. We need some water. We do. Somebody get Nathan some water. Coming through, Ernie, coming through. Morning, Frank.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Probably drug in something from this side.
What do you think for him?
There's the proud papa.
Look at my baby.
You get these rims coming out there.
Yeah.
Looking at big spike.
Yeah.
Can I have this?
Sure.
Okay, thanks. I work for chocolate chip cookies. Shots that time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were standing there and I was down between you.
Here we go.
Flip that baby over. I want to see the other side.
I mean, we're still 32 inches. Might want to try to sag on this end, but I think we can do one more.
That's the way to saw pecan, ain't it?
Yeah, let somebody else do it.
Well, somebody always has to do it with me because I ain't got it.
Oh, it's so juicy. Some of these, it's about like cutting a maple tree off and gallons of water come flopping out.
Too far, I think.
Yep, I think so too. There you go. Look at all that juice. Man.
Wow.
You know, what are you, beef?
Beef and pork.
They used to run Peacock meats for years.
What about fish?
Oh, now, I can handle the fish now.
Yeah.
Where's the indicator, Jake? Poor man's drone. All right, that's the Vermont. I was going to have to ask for help. Don't laugh. You're shaking the camera. What should we give them first, do you think?
Hopefully those don't blow over.
All right, guys. Here's the first sample.
Sample number one.
Sample number one.
Do we pallet cleanser in between the two?
Yeah, I'm going to pluck some grass. I can't think of anything good.
Right, chug of water.
We need a clear glass so we can tell what the lake is.
No.
No?
No. I don't want you to know.
You were not
I
supposed to
always
know
thought
about
pure,
that, huh?
pure taste.
Pure taste.
Pure
Okay.
taste.
That's good soil.
So what are we supposed to be judging, or how are we supposed to be?
Well, your preference when I bring the other one.
Okay.
Just your preference.
This is the left-hand version. Now, this next one will be the right-hand version.
I'm ready to bring the, but you want a cleanser first?
I'm gonna try them in succession.
So we could be like these guys that taste wine. Well, over the back of on the front side of my palate, it tastes like, a maple tree. And as it rolls over the back side of my palate, I taste the sugary syrups and.
It's got a fruitiness to it.
Yeah.
Shooters already? You want to do it? No, we're doing a blind taste test of Vermont versus Michigan maple syrup. You want to partake?
No, I'm good. I already know where the best is.
Are you ready?
Our bookkeeper makes his own. His family's got a little business doing it.
Yeah, we got a guy around there that does, around our house that does that with alcohol.
I sheep a lot.
Well, they even do
birch syrup.
Okay, my daughter
Are you comparing the colors?
is wondering about that.
It's
We got a
the
bunch
same,
of birch
right?
trees, and she was wanting to know if she could
Well,
tap
it's
a
not
birch
enough
tree.
difference to where
Yeah,
it's
I don't know
I
which
could
one
see the
they
difference
do, but
pouring it
they,
out, but once it's in the glass.
they say it's not the same as maple syrup though. It's definitely a different taste.
It's too sweet.
Is it too sweet because of the...
This is thicker.
This one, yeah, definitely
It's
thicker.
definitely got, it's more viscous.
I agree. Sweeter, less maple flavor.
How do you think it would be on the pancakes versus the thinner stuff? Thick versus thinner?
It's not that much difference.
It's enough where you can taste the
All right,
thickness.
y'all are saying that the second one is thicker and sweeter?
I think it's very sweet. It's too sweet.
I think the first one's too sweet.
You're backwards
like
to
the
them too.
You like the second one?
Do what now?
You're backwards to them too. You might confuse me.
No, I know this one's the second one.
You like
This
the
one was the
first
first
one?
one.
I agree.
It puts me on the spot. This is more
No,
like,
I can find a tiebreaker.
This one's more like log cabin.
You don't want it to be me though.
This is more like what I'm used to.
Oh, you're used to the artificial.
No, this one, the second one is more like log cabin,
Oh,
which is just all just. This has got more character, right? It's more flavor. It's almost too sticky. Sweet. Now they taste the same. Okay, go with your first. I think that if I were eating pancakes, I would prefer the second one. But I think the first one has more maple flavor.
Okay, if I was eating pancakes, I would prefer the second. If I was eating French toast, I'd prefer the first one. Now ask me why, I don't know.
what if you're just doing shots?
I would prefer a little bourbon.
you know, maybe
whiskey barrel down here.
we could do that. We could do the test over again, and I could just put a drop of Doc Henderson's whiskey in each one.
Or that's what we should be using to clean our palate.
I got sent some bourbon maple syrup, and I did not like it one bit.
Really?
I
Yeah.
wouldn't want to have maple syrup in my bourbon. I don't think I'd want bourbon in my maple syrup.
So are you going to clarify
So
for
we
us?
have a 2, and a 1, and a 1. Is that what it was?
Well,
Wait a minute. Did anybody check this man's ID?
Here,
Sure,
Where's
he's
syrup?
Drink, isn't he?
It's syrup.
we have
When do you have to have an ID for syrup?
we need a tiebreaker. I'm afraid you're gonna have to be the tiebreaker. I'm gonna give you 2 little samples of maple syrup. One's Vermont, one's Michigan. You're not gonna know the difference.
I like the taste of number
We don't
one.
need to taste the main syrup because we already know it doesn't taste very
I
well.
like the consistency of number 2 better for
Maple
pancakes.
syrup. The Michigan maple syrup.
I would probably agree.
Not as funny.
Yeah.
But I thought number 2 was
Well, we know who's ahead. Nobody. Actually, we should have 2 more people so we can either have another tie or a consensus. But now, when we do too many, we're going to use up Danny's syrup.
Shit, what are we doing? Hey, Danny, it'll cleanse your palate and give you another shot at this thing.
Don't lay down underneath that spigot now, Dave.
We got to wait for Jake.
this has really got spirits in it.
Yeah, this was brought up to the pig roast. That barrel was made by Doc Henderson and his friends, white oak, charred on the inside. And they made the whiskey and filled it and brought it up to pig roast.
How cool is that? And this one is, wow, that's just so cool.
All right, come on. All right, I'm coming. I'm coming. Yeah, see, I can easily see the difference in color. I don't.
I'll close my eyes.
Vermont, Michigan.
You probably got the Crown Royal in that already.
Same order?
I got it out of that barrel in there.
I don't want to say this, but they told me to. This is number 2. You're about to sample some number 2.
He opened his eyes now.
Now what am I supposed to be testing this
You
for?
just, your preference between this, that, and this.
You were putting it on pancakes. What would you want?
You're not gonna cleanse your palate?
Do you want a beer to cleanse your palate?
Damn!
Oh, really?
Vermont wins.
No, it doesn't win. It's
The reason I like that one better is it tastes like.
Vermont is
number 2.
Huh?
Which one?
Oh, I'm wrong?
Michigan's number 2.
Michigan's number 2, and I give him number 2 first.
Yeah, you did. Yeah.
Ah! Michigan wins!
All right. All I'm going to say is the reason I like that one better, I think they would both be equally, the flavor's not that much different, but that one feels like it was evaporated a little bit more, a little bit thicker.
Yep.
So, if you were eating
This
pancakes,
one, no,
I would prefer Michigan.
At least in your mind.
If it's really running, it runs off the
Oh,
pancakes.
now that all the classes are over, y'all got this other opinion of me.
I didn't say it was. I didn't say which side.
I poured in and had it all on my plate.
Never changed my opinion of you. You didn't have a very good one to begin with.
It was paused the whole time, wasn't it? We got to do it over.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Michigan by 1.
Hey, that's all we need.
That's it.
Shiver